Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi. So as you can see, I'm in Mexico with it. Hold on. Yo. We're currently waiting on our room, but let me tell you guys the tea, because honestly, like, getting here was not great. Tell me why, as soon as I got off of the plane, they were like, hey, how many computers did you bring? And me, like, I work. So I have two laptops, a work laptop and then like my main laptop. They charged me $200 to bring my laptop. That is robbery. $200. It was like $3,800 in pesos. Honestly, I'm not even too mad about it anymore for real, because that is about to be the tip for like the entire trip. Like, I'm done. I feel like I did my part. So now we're just waiting to like get into the room and everything. We're staying here for like 5 days. Super nice resort, all inclusive. What is the room giving?
Access to all the two other, like, all the inclusive resorts.
Oh, this is so nice. This is so cute.
Yeah, like shuttle.
So cute.
We gotta take you to Cabo. Ooh, it smells like food out here.
Oh, do you guys want to be introduced into my vlog? Hold on.
We got like a...
Who we on vacay with?
Beyonce.
Hey!
The realist.
The realist.
Hey.
You have to introduce yourself.
Oh, I'm Gabby.
We're about to go eat. We're about to go and chill, explore the vibe. This is what it's looking like. And then we have access to 3 different resorts, so we're gonna look at all of them. Of course, I'm gonna take you guys with me. I have like the real like tripod vlogger stuff, so it's gonna be... I'm excited. Y'all, the pictures are about to go crazy. But move, got it. I understand. But look, guys, I just feel like the pictures here are gonna go crazy. Like, if you're not already following me,
put on my bathing suit.
if you're not already following me, make sure you follow me on Instagram at ANIYAAROSS. You're not gonna want to miss these photos. Like, oh, I'm loud. Hold on, I'm so loud. Because people are definitely looking at me like, who is this loud child talking? Anyways, my voice carries. I'm not loud, I'm just passionate. But I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys once we're actually like doing some stuff, check in with you guys. But I just wanted to tell you guys how my morning went, because why did they charge me $200 for a laptop? Anyways, I'll see y'all later. Good morning. We just had breakfast, and honestly, I'm not gonna lie, like, the food is so like trash. Like, all of it. Even the omelet that I made, like
My breakfast was smacked this morning. My breakfast was smacked.
Maybe it's just me.
It's what she got.
But I'm looking, I mean, I got like a build your own omelet, and I'm like, how could that be messed
Oh,
up?
they're not opening them.
I want to take pictures right here. Some of my pictures are already posted on Instagram. I think we're about to, what are we about to do? We just ate breakfast, so what's the vibe? Fit checks. This is, I think, Beyonce's top.
It doesn't have a sign.
Bottoms. How are you guys enjoying y'all's trip?
I love it.
I'm thinking, honestly, today it's gonna be more like a lounge pool day. Definitely want to do like some like TikToks and videos, because I'm trying to like revamp my social media. So definitely gonna work on that. And then I'm also thinking today too, if we could potentially get on that banana boat. That'll be tea. We're trying to figure out what we're gonna do. We're about to do jet skis and then the banana boat. Honestly, nobody wants to go on the banana boat with me, but I'm gonna make Gabby go. Like, 10 a.m. on a Wednesday, and I'm on the beach. Yeah, catch me in Aruba next week.
Anything I don't.
The icing is crazy.
So I got everybody to go on the banana boat. So excited. Are you guys excited?
I'm scared, but I'm excited.
Lost my shoe.
Anaya lost
I just lost my shoe.
These waves are crazy, bro. Okay, guys, we're on the boat. Beyonce and Dalia almost fell into the ocean.
Yeah. I don't think we want to go anymore.
But me and I are going on.
We're gonna go.
I
We're
paid
not
for
gonna
this.
fall.
I
We're
paid
not
for
gonna fall.
this.
Gabby, you think you're gonna fall?
No.
I don't know if I'm gonna fall either, but
I know
these
how to
parents
hold
are
on.
strong.
They are. Sunny out here.
It's very sunny. The banana boat. I don't know if we have any clips of us on it.
Did you take any videos of us on it? Or you couldn't really see it?
They tried to scam us. And honestly, I'm so tired of being scammed, because that was the second time. So long story short,
Did not get a
that was
nigga
bad.
X.
I'm about to get copyrighted. We went to the banana boat and that was cool, but they told us 20 minutes and then they took us off after like 7. Didn't fall. They went super slow and it was not a good experience. So I was like, no, I'm tired of being scammed here because that was my second time of somebody like just completely like finessing me. Finished my homework today and honestly, homework and stuff has been like pretty manageable since being here because like the time difference is like pretty severe. I think today we're just kind of chilling. Honestly, it's kind of what we've been doing. It's just chilling, being in the water, enjoying the scenery.
Really with the wave. Like,
It's really a vibe.
go. The high fives is killing.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Andale. They've been soliciting us all day.
Vlog.
Me and Yonsei. How you feeling?
Dude, I'm feeling great.
These boats are calling our names.
Wait, is this one or this one?
¿Dónde está? Thank you so much.
I want to see what it looks like.
I think this is a better view.
Fuck you too. No, I'm not everywhere.
Boat ride was a 10 out of 10. Super relaxing. Cold but relaxing. Really enjoying. Oh no. Oh wait.
He saw you recording and he was like,
Oh, you did? Hey! Alright, y'all, so we are at the conclusion of our trip. Super, super fun. How'd you guys enjoy your trip?
good. It was good.
10 out of 10.
Super fun. So now we are literally, next one is Aruba. Something like that, okay? We're waiting on our shuttle and all that good stuff. All the bags are with us. And right now I'm about to just sit here and start on my work day because it's Friday. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to become an annihilator because what? We are the best. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Bye.